Will you please stop it?
At least I'm trying to maintain.
You can't.
Neeraj already distanced himself. Hello, Sunny. Old furnitures. You can take the landlord. Old refrigerators. Hello. Please come inside.